Okay.
So the this part we're going to do, of course, we're in F. So it's a slide up, back, pull off, and then a hammer, drop thumb. So slide up, back, pull, hammer, drop thumb, and then a hammer and a slide. That's just like going to be the other part. And then the B part, so you're going to hammer from 2 to 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, hammer, hammer, you're going to hammer to 1, and then 1, 2, so that sounds like. Repeats. Hammer. So what I'm doing there is a hammer.